And engineering students, we want a holistic development of the personality. So we offer them subjects in science, arts and management also. Art, science and management subjects are taught to the students. They can choose any one of them. Ethics, what is the full name?
Professional ethics.
Professional, ethics and values. Ethics and values is offered to all the students. You know why we are offering ethics. Our country has a problem of ethical behavior at various levels. So we want them to make model citizens in our country. That's why ethics and values are offered to all the students. This is called fully flexible credit system. And a student who takes one major, he can take one minor subject also, along with the student who has computer science. He can take mechanical or civil or electronics as a minor subject. And if somebody wants to study business along with engineering, he can take double major, one major in engineering and one major in business, finance, etc. So these are possibilities under fully flexible credit system, which is not there in any of the universities. We are ahead of all the universities, including IITs, in this. And we were the first university to go for accreditation, international accreditation. Of course, NAAC accreditation we have undergone recently the third cycle of NAAC accreditation, NAAC, National Accreditation Assessment Council. We were as you were shown here, we were the first university to go for foreign accreditation under the British. That was in the year 2005. In 2009, the most coveted accreditation in the world is Abbott accreditation, American accreditation. We went for American accreditation to begin with for 2 courses, then 4 courses. Now last year, we have offered 14 courses for accreditation. We are expecting the results. It gives our students an advantage over other students, other country students. And also, we train them in foreign languages. Of course, the medium is English. We offer 5 languages: French, German, Japanese, Chinese, and Spanish. Any one language is compulsory, but if somebody wants to study more than one language also, he can study languages. Because this gives an added advantage for the students of EIT when they go outside the country, when they choose a multinational corporation.
Exactly.